Hi everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. See in this problem, here how to solve system of equations using Cramer's method or Cramer's rule. So three equations are given here, that is 5x minus 10y plus z equal to 11, one equation. Let's consider this is equation 1. Next 6x minus 8y minus z equal to 15. Consider this is second equation. 3x plus 2y minus 6z is equal to 7. This is third equation. Now how can we solve these three equations? By using Cramer's rule. That means find x value, y value, z value which satisfies these three equations having one pair. So what are that? X value, y value, z value by using Cramer's rule. According to Cramer's rule, first step is form a coefficient matrix. That is, in the first equation, the coefficients are 5, minus 7, 1, and second equation having coefficient are 6, minus 8, minus 1, and third equation having 3, 2, minus 6. So these are the corresponding coefficients for x, y, z in three equations. So with the help of these coefficients, form a matrix that is called as coefficient matrix. Let's see here. So this is the coefficient matrix. That is, consider any equation as first equation, and consider this equation as 1, and this equation as 2, this is 3. So according to this, so first equation having this coefficient, that is 5, minus 7, 1. So 5, minus 7, 1 as first row. Next second equation, coefficients will be in second row. That is 6, minus 8, minus 1. Okay. Next third equation, x coefficient 3, y coefficient is 2, z coefficient is minus 6. So this is the coefficient matrix. So let's consider it is named as D matrix. In the next step, these constant values, that is 11, 15, 7, so will be used as a column in the first column. Means replace this first column elements with these constants. So it becomes like this. So this is the another matrix. Let's consider this is D1 matrix. So observe carefully here. So in the same matrix, I keep second column and third column as it is. There is no change. 7 minus 8, 2. Next 1 minus 1 minus 6. But I replace this first column with constant values, that is 11, 15, 7. Okay, in the first column. Now similarly form second matrix by replacing second column. Now by replacing third column with these constants, we will get third matrix. So let's see here. So these are the remaining two matrices. So in the second column I replace, means only take this is as reference. So in that only I change second column. Okay, keep remaining first column and third column as it is. So it is considered D2 matrix. Next in the reference matrix, change third column, that is with constant, that is 11, 15, 7. So it is D3 matrix. So this is the process in Cramer's rule. So first of all we form D matrix, that is with coefficients. So in this is a reference. So in that first replace with first column, we get one matrix, and second column replace with constants, second matrix, replace third column with constant, we get third matrix. So this is the first procedure. In the next step, we have standard formulas for getting x, y, z value. So x equal to, this is a standard formula. So det of d1 by det of d. Next y equal to det of d2 by det of d. And z equal to det of d3 by det of d. So det of this matrix by det of this matrix will give x value. So det of this matrix by det of this matrix will give y value. So det of this matrix by det of this matrix will give z value. So find det value for each matrix. So it is well-known process. So if you don't know, please check my another video in the YouTube channel. So how to find determinant. So here I am going to write directly det values. So by using calculator. So det equal to det d equal to 55, and det of d1 by using calculator I got 55, that of D2 I got minus 55, that of D3 I got minus 55. Now substitute all the values in these formulas. We will get, so that of D1 is nothing but 55, that is 55 by 55. So by simplifying it, we will get 1. Next, that of D2, that is minus 55. So minus 55 by 55, nothing but minus 1. So here also minus 55 by 55. By simplifying it, we get minus 1. So x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1 and z equal to minus 1. So these are the solution for the problem. So this is a procedure how to find x, y, z value by using Cramer's rule. So one thing, do practice, then only you can get grip on the topic. So this is the way of procedure how to solve x, y, z values with the help of Cramer's rule. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.